In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of NordVPN. If you're finished with your session or just need to switch between accounts, logging out is a simple yet important task. So let's walk through the process to ensure you can do this smoothly and effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the NordVPN desktop application on your computer. If it's not already installed, you won't be able to proceed, so make sure it's set up on your device before continuing. Once the application is open, you'll notice a sleek interface designed to offer maximum security with simplicity. Now, to proceed with logging out, locate the gear icon or settings menu. This is typically situated in one of two places, depending on your system or app version. You'll find it either in the top right corner or the bottom left of your screen. Clicking this will take you into the Settings menu, which is like the control center of your NordVPN application, where you manage all preferences and account-related options. As you navigate the Settings menu, direct your attention to the section labeled Account or My Profile. This is a centralized hub where all your account information resides. Think of it as your personal vault, where you can manage subscriptions, payment methods, and, importantly for today, where you have the option to log out. When you're in the Account or My Profile section, look around for the Log Out, Sign Out, or possibly even a Switch Account option. This step may slightly vary depending on the version of the app you have, but the option should be clearly listed. You might see it in the form of a drop-down menu, which, in that case, invites you to click on Log Out. Once you've found the Log Out option and clicked on it, don't be surprised if you encounter a prompt asking for confirmation. This step ensures that logging out is intentional, in case the click was accidental or you had second thoughts. Simply confirm by selecting Yes or a similar option if prompted. Congratulations! Once confirmed, you will be successfully logged out of the application. At this point, you're free to close the app or switch users. This process not only protects your credentials, but also ensures that the application runs smoothly for the next time you decide to log in. So, that's it for today. If this video helped you better understand how to log out of NordVPN, give it a thumbs up or share with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.